No one's here?
Yeah, but someone is cooking though. Can I have your menu?
No? No menu.
The menu outside.
Huh?
This one.
There. Do you have it?
How much?
Have.
How much?
For your new keep selling
You don't
500.
have English here.
Mata mo tingin natin.
Let's go.
That's okay.
500.
500?
And your chicken, how much is this?
300.
300. Okay, do you have rice?
Rice.
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 This one rice. Only rice. The rice only.
Vegetable?
No, rice.
Rice?
Rice.
300.
No, just rice.
Chicken rice 300.
Chicken rice, 300. Biryani? No biryani.
Rice
Okay.
300.
Okay.
It's,
She sounds unsure the way she give the price
Yeah,
actually.
because-
She's like, okay, this one is okay.
I actually concerned if ever she will give us the right food or not.